This video is sponsored by the marketplace powered by Trader Central. So recently launched, the marketplace is a town square for traders to make a living out of the ecosystem. Currently, Havana is accessible, a digital playground where you play to earn tokens which can be used for discounts on your funding plan or purchase packs to fast track your challenge. Go to the link in the description box below and access the marketplace. Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Vussy Mags back at it with another banger for you. Feel me? So yeah, I'm back today. We're gonna do a quick analysis. NAS00 and US30. I don't know. It might be long in your film. I might just separate them and do like a video for only NAS and a video for only US30, depending on how long it takes to go in depth. But I think I'm gonna put them together. So if you're new to the channel, it's your boy Vussy Mags in the building. Go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any future drops. You feel me? In this video, I got big announcement. You feel me? So before you even go into the video, hop on my free Telegram channel. Link is in the description box below. You feel me? Let's go. Alright, fam. So before we even go into the thingy, before you even go to the thing, I got an announcement to make. So today is a Sunday, right? The date is the 7th of August. You understand? Tomorrow we're hosting something. We're hosting a Zoom meeting, our very first ever Zoom meeting for all our members who are in this subscription. I'm just looking for it real quick. You understand? So if you're in the lifetime Forex signals and mentorship, I did say there's mentorship included, you understand? So this is because we knew, or we've been planning on starting to drop our lessons. We might do it weekly or every 2 weeks or whatever, but we're definitely going to be dropping knowledge if you're in this subscription, you understand? So yeah, man, this subscription, speaking of, is still open, you understand? It's still open. It's still $60 or $900. It's once off payment, lifetime signals and mentorship. So you might as well just go get that. Details are in the free Telegram channel, you understand? So that's the first announcement, the biggest announcement, Vela, because we're gonna start doing Zoom sessions. So the first one is going to be tomorrow on Monday. I'm going to share the details of the meeting and the time in the free Telegram channel, you understand? Okay, so this was previously analyzed, as you can see. So it shouldn't even take us that much for me to decipher what's actually going on in this chart, right? So we're in a downtrend, right? So a downtrend, how we describe a downtrend, a series of lower highs and lower lows, right? So we know that in a market, when a market is moving, it's either the highs are going higher and the lows are getting higher, or the market is moving the opposite, meaning lower lows and lower highs, right? So if you don't know a high, this is the high. Where the market goes and makes a turning point at the top is a high, and where the market goes to make a turning point at the bottom is a low. So you might need to take out your notebook for this one, you understand? So basically what I'm saying is, this part that you're seeing here, this is a high, and then this part is a low, right? This part is a high, low, low again, high, low, and then now we're about to make a high. So the market doesn't go from a high to another high. It goes from high to low, from low to high. It alternates from these two things: high, low, high, low, high, low. So that's why there's always turning points and stuff, right? So if you want to define a trend, you need to look at the major highs and lows. So when I say major, I'm saying if this market is moving like this, and then it comes here and it makes a turning point, and then another turning point, you can't say low and high. I mean, you can, but if you want to look at the overall trend, you need to look at the bigger picture, meaning you look at every area where the direction of the market changes. So you see, when the market got here, the price changed. When the price got here, the market changes its direction, right? When the market gets here, it changes its direction, like it's visible. Also here you can see, and also here you can see, it changes its direction. Coming up here where there's an arrow, changes overall direction to a low, to a downtrend, and then when it comes here, it changes its overall direction, changes again. So these are all the highs and lows we're talking about. So if you look at the high, let's say the trend line at the bottom is only lows and the trend line at the top is only highs. So you can see this high there that you're seeing there, it's lower than this high, you understand? And this low, well, basically this low is lower than the first one, and the last one, the most recent one, is lower than all of them, including where the price is about to react. react to this trend line. If it does respect the trend line and start dropping, then that means the price made a new lower high. So that's me describing trends, right? That's me describing trends. I think I'm gonna do more in-depth videos for the Telegram thing to describe it more. You understand? So we did analyze, we're in a downtrend, so we're looking for sells, right? But when there's opportunity to buy, there is opportunity to buy. So if you watch my previous video, right, I explained there was a buying zone which was here. You understand? And now that we can see it, you can go verify on the previous video, you will see I did say there was gonna be a buy zone somewhere between here, right? And as you can see, the price has been buying ever since it came to react to that zone. I want to tell you why this is so. So we're gonna go to our H4 time frame. Wait, actually, first of all, I want to make sure we all understand what's going on here, right? This market is moving in a downtrend, right? I explained. The market keeps making lower highs, and lower lows, meaning lower low, and another lower low. So it's moving downwards, it's not moving upwards. The opposite of that is an uptrend where the highs are getting higher and the lows are getting higher. So the price is going upwards versus now here where the price is going downwards. You understand? Sharp. So that's the whole picture of what we're doing here. Now we understand the first step, which is where's this market going. So now we're gonna go to the 240 because the H4, we need to decipher the we need to decipher the thing, the movement, the structure, basically, so to speak. You understand? So last time I made this video, an analysis of NAS100, I told y'all there is a structure within a structure. So let me clarify what I mean with structure within a structure. So as you can see, this is our trend line at the bottom. This is our trend line at the top here, which is basically where we're at. But then now, ever since the market came to make contact here, this is what's been going on, right? Look at the highs and lows. So the lows are getting higher, higher low, higher low, higher low. You understand? The highs, high, or basically high, higher thing, higher high, and another higher high there, and another higher high. Basically, I'm dismissing this one because it's not within the. Basically, it is within the trend, but let's focus only on the highs and lows that are within or that are on the lines, the trend lines. So this line at the bottom is for lows, this one at the top is for highs, right? So the only lows that are making contact is this one, 1, 2, 3, right? And there's other lows also, like this one, like this one, like this one. So that's what I was talking about when I say you gotta look at the bigger picture. The trend lines help me only focus on the lows that are like the turning points of the markets. So we have a higher high, and then another higher high there. You understand? So basically, we might come to make a higher low or something. Maybe come to retest the structure here. But the buy zone I was describing here was due to the fact that there is a zone here. There's a areas of resistance. You understand? There's this area where the market respected two times basically before then, and this area also 2 times also. But in the smaller time frame, there was a retest here. You understand? So the market is expected came to this zone and then it retested and then it started going up. You understand, in the building. So now the thing is, this structure has been violated, right? It's been violated. So I think unless we can find a zone in the smaller time frame, well, there's a zone that's been tested already. But we'll have to see how this market can open. But it would be in our favor to start selling, you understand? But it's going to depend now on how the market opens. But overall, with this video, I'm not even going to go to the smaller time frame stock. It's not even necessary. Overall, I wanted to make sure you guys understand the structure of what's going on. Because once you understand the structure, you can now make more informed decisions. You understand? So you can see the candlestick that we got for the past 2 days here on the trend line were rejection candlesticks, you understand, suggesting the momentum isn't really that much to push outside of this trend line. So I think we're gonna sell, but we have to test some level. I think if we come to test the high of this candlestick, I'm gonna enter for sale, but I'm not just gonna enter sales just based on that we rejected, because it can still fake out on the outside, you understand? So that's it for NAS100. We can check out US30 real quick, but before we go there, man, we got our full course in the building. Full course is available now. You understand? And also our course is once-off payment. Also, we go through our strategy. We have mentorship, also lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals if you enroll in this thing. You understand? You also get access to the thing, to the lifetime mentorship and signals and stuff. So you're gonna get the lessons, the Zoom sessions and stuff like that. Of course, we have VIP signals. I will teach you how to manage risk and all these things, man. You have access to us basically. You can suggest what videos you want to see on the channel and stuff like that. Those are the perks of being in the part of the course, right? So yeah, man, everything is in video format. You always have access to this thing. It's only $100. You can go and get that. You understand? So let's just go back to US30. I hope this video is not too long, fam. Hope it's not too long. So after what I've explained in the beginning of this video, now everything will just make sense. When you even look at US30, you see that we have the same thing. It's still a downtrend. You understand? Still a downtrend. We have our lower highs, lower high, high, lower high. We have our lower lows, low, lower low, and another lower low right there. You understand? Those are all our major turning points. But now there's something that's going on here. Okay, so we broke out of here. I did say it was gonna go back up if we cross this area, and you see what I'm talking about when I say sometimes we can reject a trend line, right? You see this candlestick is a rejection candlestick, but the next candlestick breaks out. And imagine now if you start selling just because this one now rejected, and then now you're directing to losses or blowing accounts even. You understand? So that's why it does not make any sense, bruh. We're gonna go to smaller time frames in Yana a little bit to see what's going on here. So let's go to 240. I think this chart needs a smaller time frame because it's a very simple chart to understand what's going on. All right. Okay, let's just remove some of these. This is basically all you need to do. Sometimes you just need to zoom out, which is why I prefer using a laptop, so you can look at the overall movement. Okay. So I'm seeing this area right there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it looks like 8, right? And then is there any other level now besides this one? There is one at the bottom. Is there? Okay, it's still far off this one, but no, this is basically the only level I'm seeing. So maybe we have to use a trend line, additional trend line. It's because I'm also in a rush. You understand? I might make changes to this chart, but now I'm just choosing because I'm basically in the middle of a video, so I don't have the luxury of taking an hour to analyze. So basically, yeah, we react. This is the level that I'm seeing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then retest here at 8, right? So we're on the H4. We're gonna go to 60, which is H1. We do have a level somewhere there, the zone basically. I understand. So basically I'm gonna narrow it down to these two zones, because the price has been bouncing in between here. Well, it sometimes spikes out of here, but it never actually goes anywhere. It ends up going back up again. So kind of like we have a range formation, kind of. So I'm gonna operate another line here. You understand? So I think I'm gonna sell when the price comes to this level, and then buy when it comes to bounce off at the bottom. It's gonna need a range kind of approach with this one. But we'll see. Maybe we're gonna break out and then come to retest from the top. Then that's when we can buy. Maybe we can think. I never actually used this arrow, so let's see if we can think. So what's going on now? Hey man, guys, you need to tell me in the comment section how to use this thing. I never actually understood this thing, bruv. How? Maybe the price is gonna come there, basically, is what I'm saying, and then come back to retest here, right? Before eventually going back up, right? So we would enter on the retest, right? Narrow down the SL to somewhere here, a little bit low, and then the STP maybe somewhere there. You understand? That's what I'll be looking forward to do in terms of the US30, which is actually a good thing, a good setup. Just keep your eyes on this thing. You understand? You get me? So if you're watching to this far, I hope you seriously enjoyed the video. You feel me? It's a Sunday, so I'm about to relax a little bit and wait for the market to open. I don't know, because tomorrow's a holiday. I don't think there's gonna be much action at all, so I might just relax tomorrow and see the markets on Tuesday, depending on the movement that we have tomorrow. Otherwise, it's your boy man, Vussy. Thank you guys for watching. Much love to y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, I'll see you guys on the next one.